Let me explain how to decompress text using LZW decompression. I will use the same text that I compressed in the LZW compression video. I will tag that video in the description and at the top right corner of this video, so check it out if you have not seen it yet. Decompression is very similar to compression, so if you already understand how to compress, this will be much easier to follow. Let's start the decompression process. We begin by initializing a table. The first step is to fill the table with all the characters that appeared in the original text and assign an index to each character. For now, keep the input and output columns blank. The first character we read is 0. We write 0 under the input column. Next, we check the dictionary at index 0, and you can see it is P. So we write P in the output column and also write P into the current entry column. Basically, what we have done is decode 0 into P. Now we move to 1. Just like before, we write 1 into the input column, then check index 1 in the dictionary. It is I, so we write I into the output column. Here's where an important step comes in. Do you remember in compression when a sequence already existed in the dictionary, we extended it? We do something similar here, but this time we concatenate the current character with the previous output. In this case, we combine I with P from the previous entry, forming PI. Since PI does not exist in the dictionary yet, we add it as a new entry. And do not forget to write the current entry as well. We continue following this same rule. Now let us look at 11. We check index 11, and its entry is PI. So we write PI into the output column. However, when we extend it to add to the dictionary, we do not concatenate the entire PI. We only take the first character, which is P, and combine it with the previous output. Then, when we write it into the current entry column, we write PI. We repeat this process until we reach the end. Now we have reached the end. The LZW decompression is finished. If we combine all the output characters together, we get the original text, which is exact same text as before compression. And that is how LZW decompression works. Thank you for watching.